Hey guys, it's Valerie, your independent Scentsy consultant, and today I am showing off our January scent and warmer of the month. Check this puppy out. Oh my goodness. It is called Star Dance. And it is fantastic. Do you see this twinkling lights? Ignore the mess that's being reflected back there. I got like a pile of stuff going on over here, and this thing is super shiny. So this is like a really cool warmer. It's the first one I've seen like this. It has like these twinkling stars inside of it. And kind of has like a holographic finish. I'll read you how the description of it in just a second here. But it is super cool. If you're a fan of rose gold, oh my goodness, it is rose gold. I again, ignore the mess that's being reflected there, but it is super shiny, super pretty. It's kind of styled like our what you would call it, lampshade warmers. But this is actually an element warmer. It's a two-piece warmer. It has a nice big deep dish if you are a person who likes to put a lot of wax in their warmers and leave them on for a while. This is kind of like the perfect dish for that. Um, so it's called Star Dance. It's available today, January 1st. Let's see, let me tell you what it says. Star Dance features an internal multi-point light source viewed through holographic film to create a twinkling, three-dimensional starry night effect that is positively galactic. So it's kind of hard to see, like, from the camera perspective, like just how pretty this is. This is pretty close. The picture of it here. It's beautiful. It's really pretty, and it's so interesting and fun. And like I said, if you love rose gold, this is your warmer. So our scent of the month is called Vanillamint, and I really like this scent. It definitely has those vanilla, it is a vanilla based scent, but it's kind of subdued by kind of this citrusy, piney kind of scent. It just kind of brings that vanilla down and creates this like really fresh, slightly sweet, wintry scent. So it's called Vanillamint. They describe it as wintergreen frost, sparkles of a vanilla, over vanilla, and frozen citrus. So, like I said, it has that vanilla base, and it's just kind of brought down by those wintry, citrusy, fresh scents. So I really like this. It comes in the bar and the spray and a scent circle, for your car. And that's it for me for now. There's a whole bunch of specials going on in January. So not only this, which is regularly $50, it's on sale for $45. And we also have our Bring Back My Bars going on, our join special for $49. Oh my gosh, if you want to join Scentsy, like now is the time to do it. And our host rewards. So if you want to host a party with me, whether it be online, in home, or through the mail, a pouch party or basket party, you can get like double your half off rewards. So up to 8, oh my gosh, 8 half off items. That's fantastic. So if you have any questions about that, please get in touch with me. Leave me a comment, email me at poppyscents@gmail.com. Find me on Facebook or YouTube, Instagram. I'm everywhere. Just find me at poppyscents, and I'll chat with y'all later. Bye.